Fans of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters have been following the dramatic transformations of the Slayton siblings for years, but the latest reveal from one of the stars has left viewers completely stunned. After undergoing a teeth and hair makeover, the cast member now looks like a brand new person, sparking an avalanche of reactions across social media. The change is so striking that even longtime fans who have witnessed their journey from the very beginning are in disbelief at how far they've come. This isn't just another update in the ongoing saga of the Slayton family, it's a full-fledged reinvention that highlights the power of self-care, confidence, and newfound health. The Slayton family has become household names since first appearing on 1000 LB Sisters, with Tammy and Amy at the forefront of the show's storylines, joined at times by their siblings Chris, Mishti, and Amanda. Each family member has faced personal battles, from health struggles and weight loss challenges to relationship drama and life-changing surgeries. Yet through it all, their stories have resonated with audiences, making them one of TLC's most popular and relatable reality TV families. But the latest transformation, focusing on teeth and hair, has taken things to a whole new level of excitement, especially since physical appearance has long been a sensitive subject for the stars. The star in question has always been open about their insecurities regarding their teeth. Years of neglect, health complications, and challenges with weight-related medical conditions took a toll on their dental health. On the show, viewers witnessed moments of frustration and embarrassment whenever they tried to smile or laugh on camera. It wasn't just a cosmetic issue. Dental health affected their overall well-being, their ability to eat comfortably, and their confidence in public. That's why this new dental makeover has been celebrated as more than just a cosmetic fix, it's a powerful symbol of healing and self-love. According to insiders close to the family, the makeover involved multiple procedures, including extractions, replacements, and cosmetic enhancements designed to restore not only function but also appearance. The result is a gleaming, healthy smile that completely changes how they look. Side-by-side comparisons of older photos versus the new reveal are almost unrecognizable. Fans flooded online forums, Reddit threads, and Instagram comment sections with reactions ranging from shock to joy, with many writing that the star looks absolutely radiant and like a totally new person. But the transformation didn't stop at teeth. Alongside this dental glow-up came a bold and stylish hair makeover. Throughout the series, the stars' hair often reflected their mood and health journey, sometimes unkempt, sometimes dyed in bold colors, and sometimes neglected during periods of struggle. This time, the makeover introduced a fresh, polished, and professional hairstyle that perfectly complements the bright new smile. Whether it's a sleek, darker shade that highlights facial features or a chic cut that frames the face, the hair update ties the whole look together, leaving fans in awe. The overall result. One fan commented on Twitter, "I never thought I'd see the day where they look this confident and put together. The smile and hair just glow." Another wrote, "This is the makeover we've all been waiting for, this is the moment they can finally shine." It's clear that the transformation has resonated not only because of the physical changes but also because of the emotional journey behind it. Throughout the show, fans have seen firsthand the emotional toll of obesity, health issues, and public scrutiny on the Slayton siblings. The family has been subjected to both support and harsh criticism from viewers, with many outsiders quick to judge their choices or appearances. This makes the recent transformation even more meaningful because it reflects resilience and growth despite the odds stacked against them. The makeover is more than just teeth and hair, it's a statement of self-worth. Medical experts have long noted how dental health is often overlooked in weight loss journeys, yet it plays a vital role in overall well-being. For someone who has gone through weight loss surgery, lifestyle adjustments, and intense physical challenges, fixing dental health can significantly improve not only physical health but also self-esteem. The stars' willingness to undergo this transformation highlights their commitment to long-term health and happiness. The new look also opens the door for fresh opportunities. Some fans are speculating whether this makeover is part of preparations for a new season of 1000 LB Sisters, while others wonder if the star may be eyeing projects outside TLC. Social media engagement has skyrocketed since the reveal, with fans requesting more photos, videos, and interviews showcasing the new style. The star has not shied away from sharing glimpses online, seemingly embracing this moment of positivity and validation. Interestingly, the timing of the transformation coincides with a period of growth for the entire Slayton family. Amy has been focusing on her children and balancing motherhood with her own health journey, while Tammy has shocked fans with her massive weight loss and ongoing relationship updates. Chris, meanwhile, has continued to impress viewers with his own health improvements. The collective progress of the family adds to the excitement, with each sibling achieving milestones in their own way. This teeth and hair makeover in particular, however, is being hailed as one of the most dramatic and confidence-boosting changes yet. Reality TV often thrives on drama and setbacks, but fans have expressed relief and joy that this chapter is one filled with triumph instead of struggle. Watching someone who once avoided smiling now beam with confidence is a powerful moment that resonates deeply with viewers who may be on their own journeys of change. Even critics of the show have taken notice. Some who previously dismissed the Slayton family as reality TV spectacle are now acknowledging the genuine transformation and hard work that has gone into their recent progress. Commentators have noted that moments like this serve as reminders that behind the cameras are real people striving to improve their lives. It's worth noting that the makeover isn't just about external validation. In interviews and social media posts, the star has hinted at how the change has impacted their self-esteem and outlook on life. Smiling freely, feeling beautiful, and embracing a polished new style are powerful steps forward in reclaiming identity and confidence after years of being defined by health struggles. Fans are eager to see how this transformation plays out in future episodes. Will TLC dedicate time to documenting the dental journey and hair makeover in detail? Will this new look mark a fresh storyline for the star as they step into a new chapter of life? Whatever the case, the reveal has already cemented itself as one of the most talked about updates in the 1000 lb Cyst RS universe. The show has always been about more than weight loss. It's about family, resilience, and the human capacity to change. This stunning makeover perfectly embodies those themes, proving that transformation comes in many forms. For the star who now beams with confidence, the teeth and hair makeover is more than cosmetic. It's a declaration of strength, survival, and self-love. As fans continue to flood social media with praise, one thing is clear: this isn't just a makeover. It's a rebirth. The star of 1000 lb Sisters truly looks like a brand new person, and their journey serves as a shining example of how perseverance, health, and a little bit of glam can completely change not just appearances, but lives. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 lb's YouTube channel for more update news.